I'm really enjoying my JUQITECH iPad case with the Bluetooth magnetic keyboard. It has been 2.5 years and it is still holding up really well. I got the rose gold color, and so when you open it up, the keyboard is magnetic, so it sticks here, and the magnet does not harm the iPad at all. And then you can flip your iPad up like this to form a keyboard-like environment to work. Adjust the angle of your iPad like that by just moving the keyboard forwards or backwards on the magnetic surface. It's magnetic all the way to the edge. To connect the keyboard to your iPad, just press the connect button on the keyboard and then go into your settings on your iPad. If you are in your iPad settings, select Bluetooth keyboard 3.0 A2, which is how it shows up on my iPad, and connect. And once you've connected the keyboard to your iPad, all you have to do is open the app of your choice and simply start typing. To charge the keyboard, you just plug in the provided charging cord here and plug it into an outlet. And there you can see that it's charging. I have really enjoyed this keyboard case combination over the years. I have taken it on airplanes and haven't had any problems. It's great to travel with when you don't want to take your full laptop with. So if you are looking for an iPad case keyboard combination that allows you to use your iPad more like a laptop, but also remains portable, I 100% recommend this case.